Tennessee, southwestern Polk County in East Tennessee, southeastern Hamilton County in East Tennessee, until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:07 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Cleveland, moving south at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Cleveland, South Cleveland, East Cleveland, Wildwood Lake, Collegedale, Waterville, Conasauga, Hopewell, Red Clay State Park, and Flint Springs. This includes Interstate 75 in Tennessee between mile markers 16 and 25.